In Southeast Asia, when I would use the bathroom, they would have what I call bum guns, and they're little hoses that you just clean yourself up with after you go to the bathroom. They're way more hygienic than just using plain toilet paper, so I've always wanted them. My ex and I would kind of debate because whatever, who knows why, but now that I'm single, I'm able to get one, so let's go. I mean, it says that it is do-it-yourself install. Let's hope they're easy instructions. First, shut off the water supply to the toilet. Oh, let's hope that's off. Flush the toilet to drain all water inside the tank. Yep, didn't refill. Disconnect the supply line from the toilet fill valve. So disconnect the supply line from the toilet fill valve. This T-valve, the threaded fill valve on your toilet. Okay, it's on backwards. Alright, cool. I'm gonna shower with this after, it's so hot. Reattach your existing toilet supply line. Okay. Remove protective plastic covers. From what? Oh, from this. Attach the hex head end of the hose to the T-valve. Okay, valve. Fuck, whoa. Stop it. Listen, I know size doesn't matter, but you need a little something to work with. It's attached. Turn on the water supply valve and check for any leaks. I'm so nervous. No leaks! Yes! Let's practice it. God said, let there be water. It comes with an adjustable sprayer, which, I mean, the heavy one, I don't think I'm gonna mind. Well, I did it. I installed my first bidet, and it seems like it's a success.